bono ntara kwana ngakia abantu bari omaita abantu babwata abande bagotegerera abandi bari gotegerera ndi nakwana narura Matiang'i naende naruto neti ngumurwani kiara we have to work with him ne gabanande kirigeke gochuti na koreta taru
Amos Nyaribo nere gavana Nyamira aringe deputy ya Nyagarama etamu entangani ne yakabere kare Nyagarama asirete Amos Nyaribo akabwatero akoli myake yategetanga ebere bona Amos Nyaribo agashaka buli gavana Nyamira county abagusi bakamwa bantu banyamira bagatebanga mungwana oyo yatura mutemanga tolere na kiale yakogerekere Nyagarama arenge moyo Amos Nyaribo nabakurite sana chibese cheibiro ebyakorire kiabere sote mungwana arabe positive bona na kiara kwa na biega basumbate Nyaribo baka okukwae ngwalenge raisi bana bagusiba mintasi mule Nyaribo nendo tebere no akarubo governor race in 2027 kerengo motegerera akora kanu muntu sure and slow but sure akora kanu muntu very sure asengwana yae akora kanu muntu oroche genta akora ninde message yae na very straightforward timiti osechi interview achingia osene nchara kwerendere akukwana enchera kete pakko o abantu obwoba ngana yaba mutakete kumurushi Nyaribo teko kora gazi lakini Nyaribo no mokongo twensi pinya mera county ntugwane na ki Amos Nyaribo tara kora gazi bia lakini botamba bagusitwe buli amaswali after Nyaribo ningo kumurusi ndete kwira chinga kiechiko tebichi governor aspirants banyamira bali nsema ya Matiang'i Amos Nyaribo nene wete chusi ata yana nsema ya Matiang'i yari tituko basabanga kaba serious kwani kintu keko make sense karuchi nkwana chino chingia torolenga mubwate kerengo gochia so oboncheli Nyamira county present ebintu byamana gochia sabantu totebi ase school manage school amasomo ningi kuchokokora kusia se chipara mpango kyubwate chinya gitari aye plan yago nereri yama kunyalikananga nebato kosoki mugako oyo oyitokoleta narabatari ene warning oje Matiang'i moto abantu batayo tokore nomination tetunyora abantu bale visionary pamaitenga na mache kusinto batabakomo ebitiro bitu bya kusi ndokunyara bangina mbabu atime kongo yo kuchiroje nako kete sana kiro mushimi warama kwanete kendeke twangene interview akatebanga Nyamira no na mache ntukane ti antu understanding ntukane ti tapu nkaga current ntu bata mache ebisima bitakire as many as possible esenya nje bitiro ne bitirimo ochiro chine gasya sabangene mungino boka maambio ende akondre ndira no chirocho mugongo inoro no abana nyore babiri batatu bane batano mungino na saba ibo sobogimo nga 60 years down the line ntura nyora macha kwe kakachi taps 60 years down the line omoga ko chete roche kali myaka 10 boni gali myaka 60 badungu chari roche osaba na bayangu chibali roche abumbi yabole iko bonche limboro ama koli to atuwari in the 1960 paka boni garo nga paranjiri iguru binyoro bito obuli mitwa akakole chinga kichiri paka boni ga na buboro emyaka 15 down the line ya devolution ndura nyora bonchole asa mangana health chipe sichika sikuri guko liyo gugoka ndoko kara cheche in 2027 ento choro monto otachikola tabonchole Nyamira county kwa makonyoro monto nga ochire nomination to amachot mojo to ngese into achot nomination no Matiang'i want the best in your team for nominations ndo choro monto nga to choro the best out of the worst. Let us choose the best out of the best. Buna bantu Nyamira nga gagisairo iga tubwate mungwana korega siasigete iga tubwate professor kiti urani skuru na Professor Michiaka ngwete Kisii County Nyamira kuru. People who have been in managerial departments, people who have been in managerial fields, pamanye tenga chipe sangu ache manage chale to boncheli in a certain way. Kubwa tutu wale viongozi baro tu ngese ntubana Matiang'i tabakore nomination, we've chosen the worst in the best in the worst, ngabono they are okay. No. Kui katolikyo boncheli Nyamira County. Yani timanyi tiko seni njebeka nkuna ngora ya neme. Chikava na chine chikaso no kolika suni ya murange kasi ni kasi. Kwa mukobori Nyamira ntungi tu aliyete kekebe. Abana baito boni gaba kugenda chi school. Abana abo bakwana chi school bachekechea. I mean nursery school ECD. Chicho abantu abana bagochiera na chibako genda. Chiri chiengoro. Chicho echo njiri kusipi kupija. Wakasi mbayo. Abana bane mbara bakwenda njale school. Ndibera na kuru school nchara. Ngantu kutwara no yero ngoli school bana baranyu. Paka bayibuli ba chibuka amo baroshe mangana yu abe. Tutwara ndagra school ya bana paka bayibuli baru chibese. Obo taka buichire paka ninde bado ninde tomentu bonde. Aba kusiba minto asimole mwensi. Weika tuikaranse tulige live ngozi gose tolere ne tuchikorera. Endira abo besana tolere kire Matiang'i ari mugambi. Matiang'i president. Lakini Nyamira County ni sigi tuka saini. Bad mana sirabe. Na ko basababa kusiba minto. Tikato chamo. Tuigwane birengeralyo. Tuchora abantu baratokoreri. Baratokora magendero Nyamira County. Duka ndi twagachiri nyomba. Eti ni chipara. Data chinyegitari amalyo gabro pia. Kabantu chigasi. Kuruwa butu yagache chinyomba. Tuanuli bintu bitu tukichiro raisi ebintu byalo kolekana bakini toba shagara bagara tukurute bintu kuchiana kuchia tukachora kiongozi kende yonsi ndoragenda bijye county ndoragenda bijye yesa gukyo mugusi Timothy sana kunire ondenkoro alengera libuya tubwaterane tukonye Nyamira County byamuna sana balima watch video yani mu kwa times tugenda kubwata ni pindi tokoraga texting accuracy waliva nu support the channel enamba ya nera mno sana next time tumerana.
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD, and the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our room has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii Homestead, the authentic Gusii Homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen. as we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.